Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we always say that Microsoft is sneaky and doing things sometimes that aren't making people happy. Of course, one of the biggest problems for some users is the fact that they have to use a Microsoft account for certain things. And in Windows 10, if you want a free ride to the extended support, well, your Microsoft account is required for this to happen. Now, we learned something new, and Microsoft has acknowledged that it is true. So, how about you sign in with a Microsoft account, get your free extended update, and then just go back to a standard account? No Microsoft account. Well, you're not going to stay activated more than 60 days. That is a fact. Microsoft did say that if you want your full year of extended security updates, you will have to log into a Microsoft account that you activated your PC with at least once every 60 days. So that means that if you thought you would get that free ride, then just go and remove that Microsoft account. Ain't gonna work. After 60 days, your extended support will be gone. This is an interesting turn of event here, and it shows how Microsoft will want to give you that year, but also in return, it does want you to have that Microsoft account always running. So just a word of caution here for those that thought they would, just after activation, remove the Microsoft account. Bad idea. You're going to be out of extended support. So for those that still have a hard time with extended support by using a Microsoft account, you can always go and use ZeroPatch, which will work and does not require Microsoft accounts. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.